Fennel seeds are small aromatic seeds derived from the fennel plant, commonly used as a spice in various cuisines. Apart from their culinary uses, fennel seeds also offer some nutritional and potential health benefits. Here are the nutritional facts about fennel seeds. Calories: 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, approximately 2 grams, contains around 6 calories. Carbohydrates: fennel seeds are low in carbohydrates, providing about 1 gram per teaspoon. Fiber: fennel seeds are a good source of dietary fiber, with 1 teaspoon containing around 1 gram. Fiber supports digestion, helps maintain a feeling of fullness, and promotes a healthy digestive system. Micronutrients: fennel seeds are a source of several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. These minerals play roles in various bodily functions, including bone health and muscle function. Phytochemicals: fennel seeds contain various phytochemical compounds, including antioxidants and volatile oils, which contribute to their potential health benefits. Health benefits of fennel seeds. Digestive health. Fennel seeds have been traditionally used to support digestive health. They may help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas due to their carminative properties, which can help relax the gastrointestinal tract. Anti-inflammatory effects. The phytochemicals in fennel seeds, including flavonoids and volatile oils, may have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the body. Antioxidant properties. Fennel seeds contain antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Respiratory health. The aromatic compounds in fennel seeds may have a soothing effect on the respiratory system and help alleviate coughing and congestion. Hormone regulation. Fennel seeds are rich in phytoestrogens, which are plant compounds that have estrogen-like effects. These compounds may help regulate hormonal balance in some individuals. Oral health. Chewing fennel seeds, or using them in oral rinses, may help freshen breath and promote oral hygiene due to their antimicrobial properties. Culinary uses. Fennel seeds are used as a spice in cooking and baking, adding a mild licorice-like flavor to dishes. They can enhance the taste and aroma of various foods. It's important to note that while fennel seeds offer potential health benefits, individual responses can vary. Additionally, if you have specific health concerns or are considering using fennel seeds for medicinal purposes, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional or herbalist before making any significant changes to your diet or health regimen.